Hey, what's going on, man? Figured I'd show you how to set up the dead rabbit and also on the legend since you're gonna have it. So that's the deck. I already have a set of coils that I made that I'm gonna put in it. I'll put these. So you want to make sure you have all your tools. Obviously, I just have a kit that I added some of my own tools in to, I don't know, help out with the style that I like to build. So they do have coil jigs, but I lost my 3mm, so 3mm screwdriver. First thing I do is I run my coil on it so I can get it in the deck and get it set. I make sure that I pull my legs while I'm putting my finger on it. See if I can get that on camera. And I just make sure my legs are tight and everything's wrapped the way that it's supposed to be. And then you want to set it in your deck. Obviously, 2 different color posts, so positive, negative. You want to make sure that you split the two. Just place your coil in there. This one's legs are probably going to be too long. It's got really long legs on it. So I adjust my coil, make sure it's nice and tight. And then with this dead rabbit, it's really easy what you got to do to match your legs. I just take it, put it up to the deck, and put it about the height that I'm going to place my coil inside the deck. And then I just cut it at where it's at the bottom of the deck here. I might have to do that off camera, but hopefully you get the idea. So after you get it cut, same thing, put it in there. Once you got them both in, they're not going to be centered yet. So I take my screwdriver, put it in the coil, and I twist it so it's straight. And while you have it twisted, I grab it like this so I can hold it in its place, and I get my height that I want. And then I tighten it down. Make sure that you're leaving the height even on both sides of the coil. Once you get it tight, don't worry about how it looks yet, and go ahead and get the other one set. I get it even with the other coil. Kind of hard to do this while I'm trying to show you on camera. So once again, I got it in there. I'm holding it level with my 2 fingers with my tool. And I tighten it down. Once you got them in there, they still don't look pretty. So I put my screwdriver in them, twist them straight, and then on this dead rabbit, I pull them in a little bit. Make sure they're both even. I kind of make this inside edge of the coil parallel to the back of this deck. So the back of this deck goes straight up even with the back edge of this coil. Same on this side. Then once you get them in, everything's set. I like to put it like this and make sure that they're both flush. If you have to, stick your driver in and pull up. That will also ensure that your coil's nice and tight. Now, how high you place the coils is all up to you. But I normally go about this high on the Dead Rabbit. Just make sure that the bottom of this coil is not touching the deck. So if any of these wraps are touching this deck, you're going to get a short and it's not going to work right. So I have the mod on, and I start low when I'm dry firing coils, probably about 60. But you have to dry burn coils or else you're going to get hot spots, you're going to get all kinds of problems, and it's just not going to turn out how you want it. So ceramic tweezers are always good to have. And now you just pulse the coil. Press and hold, let go. Press and hold, let go. Press and hold, let go. That's going to be our process. Now that I've seen a little bit of a glow, I've seen part of the coil get hot, red hot, I just pinch them, let it glow. I'll hold it and keep pulsing it. And you can see I have a back leg that's turning colors. That's because it's getting hot. So you want to just keep working at this coil and pinching until you can get it to glow even. And if you have ceramic tweezers, you can pinch and pulse it. It helps out a lot, but if you do not have ceramic tweezers, do not pinch it and pulse it at the same time. It will obviously short. So I got a hot spot right there on that coil, so I just strum it out. Now they're looking pretty good. You want it to burn from the inside out. And that's how you get your coil set. I'm going to do another video for the wicking for you.